Hi everyone, let's get into this productive college day in my life. I have in-person classes. I worked on a final presentation and got it done in one day. I did some study planning and I also shared some essay tips because we all know it can be frustrating and overwhelming. I did some cleaning and lots more. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm starting out a productive college day in my life. I'm really gonna be pushing out these videos until I'm done with school, so it'll be like my last hurrah of college content. So if you guys are excited, it's gonna be technically like a busy month. We're already like halfway through April, but technically I'll be done in the first week or two of May, so we still have like a busy packed month. These next 2 weeks for sure are gonna be like the busiest, so I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. I just got up, I brushed my teeth already, I did my journaling, and I just wanted to start off the video. So I'm gonna make breakfast, and I also made my to-do list yesterday, so we already have that ready for us to get started with my day. I'll quickly show you the to-do list now, might as well before I go make breakfast. I always love to do some editing in the morning while I eat and drink my coffee. That's like my routine. I have class today and I want to try to work on a paper. Well, it's technically for that class, but we've literally been doing it not much, like just watching videos in class, so try to multitask. So I'm going to try to see if I can work on that paper. Got a PowerPoint that's due Thursday. I need to take pictures and do like content stuff. I need to plan out my study days coming up. I have a quiz and then like finals are coming up, and I work tonight. Busy Monday. Let us head to campus now. I'm ready for class. Gonna hopefully knock down at least a Siri, not today. Hopefully knock out a page, fingers crossed, in this class. I like to work on papers that way, so that'll honestly help me feel like really good when I get home. But I just have to get that paper done and I'll feel like so good, because then after that it's just one more paper for my nutrition class. He hasn't assigned it yet, but that's our final. We don't have an exam for that class. So let's head off to campus, listen to music, have a good Monday ride. It's a little chilly. It was chillier earlier, but I just need that spring weather that was here like last week. That's what I need.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to...
I love finding front row parking, like the best thing ever. I run to my car after class and literally I leave right away. Okay guys, I'm in class. Got a little Halo I'm gonna have as my snack before I make lunch. I don't even know what I'm having for lunch, but I'll talk to you guys after. I just ate lunch and it was really freaking good. That's been like my favorite lunch to make sometimes during the week. Now I'm gonna get started on a presentation. So yesterday my professor emailed me for psych and he was like, oh, your first draft is fantastic, like looks really good, I don't need to see another draft. And I was like, Bro, like throw a party, like thank goodness. That was my goal. As you guys know, I told you guys if I can just make my draft really good, and I was just like, fingers crossed, I don't need to do it, like, you know, work on it again, do any edits. So I'm happy about that, because now the only thing left for that class is my presentation, and he listed when people present. We had 3 today, and I'm actually going on Thursday, and my Crim class, my Hey Crim's class from today, he canceled class for Thursday, so I won't have to go on campus not next week. I won't have to go on campus this Thursday. I'll just have my presentation, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, so that's my main thing left for this class, and since it's already coming up soon, I will be done Thursday. Like, I still have to show up to class the last whatever 2 weeks, but I will be done with that class, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna try to work on it today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it, but I'm taking everything from the paper, because not everybody reads the paper, it's just the professor. So this is for like the class to see what we wrote about. So a lot of it is gonna be copying, pasting, rewording things, just putting it into slides. So I'm gonna work on that now. And in my Hey Crims class, of course, today, I don't know why I'm trying to lower myself. Today, of course, he didn't play video. We were actually going over glossary words for our final exam coming up soon. So I only wrote like a couple more sentences in between because I was taking notes fast. So that's a bummer, but I will still try to work on it today if I can before work. Okay, ended up finishing my PowerPoint. It's like 9 slides. My camera ended up needing to be charged, so I just got that done. I'm gonna update my schedule that I have here that I planned my month out with. And what else was I gonna say? So update my to-do list. Oh, okay. Do this. Okay. I need to do more editing, but that's gonna be like a later thing. I didn't take a picture for my thumbnail, but I think I'm gonna move that to tomorrow. So I posted my IG reel and my TikTok. I just posted that right before I picked up my camera, actually. I plan out IG posts for the week, plan out my study days. Okay, I just made a little list of like my study days. So this, because we're coming down to the end here, I wanted to block off when I'm going to study, when I know I have like another quiz. I have for Police and Society 1 more module left, a quiz and the exam. And I wanted to block off, okay, when I'm going to study for this, when I'm going to study for the exam, when I'm going to take the exam, because since it is an online class, he gives us like a deadline of when it has to be done, and I usually like to do it a little bit before. Obviously, it'll make me feel also better getting it done before, because I'll be like, oh, that class is done. And then the next thing is hate crimes, which unfortunately our final exam is May 16th on campus, so that'll be like my last day on campus, and like that's super close to graduation, but I should be done with like all my other classes before that one. It's okay, it is what it is, and I'm not worried or stressing over that one, because I got 100 on my midterm and I'm really like doing well in that class, so I'm not worried. So I blocked off when I'm going to study, because we have I think like 2 review days, and then for nutrition and wellness we don't have an exam, we have a final paper, but that one is due I think the first week in May, so when he assigns that I can plan what I'm gonna do. Right now, quickly, I'm gonna still, I think, type some for my paper, but I want to quickly clean. I need to like dust my room, so I'm gonna do that now. Cleaning, but make it cute. Of course, I forgot that I have to go to work early today. They asked me to go in a little early, so I'm like Good thing I remembered, number one. Number two, which means I won't be typing anymore today, but I wanted to share with you guys some of my tips of what I do when I have like a paper to write. And this is what I do when I write all my papers. So if it helps me, maybe it can help you as well. So this paper, what's today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. It's about 5 to 7 page paper. So what I like to do is dedicate one each day to a page, and I'll be done by, I already have like half a page done, so I can technically be done by like Monday. And sometimes I'll get like a burst of motivation. I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna keep writing. Like as long as the thoughts are flowing, then I can keep writing, especially since I don't have that many other like little assignments due at that time. I hate typing like more than 2 pages a day because like my brain cannot. So I never procrastinate to that level where I'm like,
I have to write a 5-page paper in one day.
Because I will not be doing that. That's my tips. Open all your browsers that you want to like all the articles. Split your screen in half. That's what I do. And type at least a page. Do citations, in-text citations. For my psych class, for my research proposal, we weren't allowed to use quotes. But for this class, he wants like actual facts, back it up with quotes. So use quotes, use citations, and it'll be less stressful than what you think it is. Okay guys, work went pretty fast. Thankfully, I also was able to post a picture on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram or also TikTok. Obviously subscribe if you're new here. I just got
What is this?
I just got out of the shower and my freaking finger hurts. Like I aggravated something in my nail and it hurts so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna watch One Tree Hill, and then I've been doing this thing when I go to sleep. Hopefully I know I'm definitely not the only one, because I know people go to sleep with like the TV on because they like the noise. If I like close my eyes and try to go to sleep, like obviously I'll be able to eventually go to sleep, but sometimes my mind is just like all over the place no matter what. Like even if I journal, there's just some days where my mind just like, I don't know, literally different scenarios. So lately I will just put on a YouTube video like next to my bed, and it's not even like I'm like turned and like really like paying attention. It's mainly for the background noise, and then after the video is done anyways, my phone turns off, so it's not like my phone is just like on all night. And I've just been knocking out, so watch tonight it not work and I can't sleep. So I've been doing that. And like yesterday I just put on a random vlog from Molly May and knocked out. Like her voice was just like soothing. I just put it on like a little low, but like I can hear it, and I just went to sleep. So that's that. Tomorrow I have another busy day. I think I'm vlogging tomorrow and Wednesday, like doing like a day's vlog. And yeah, I'm just ready for bed. Like honestly, when I get home from work, this is the reality. Like I work, come home, and it's already late. Like it's already 10:30, and I'm not the type to be doing homework or like stuff. Sometimes I do late night editing, but my routine has been to just like unwind from being on my computer and trying to really remember to just like give myself that break. So that's a tip for you guys. Like try not to have to do work super late in bed. Like give yourself time to relax. Like I never really watch TV. My TV is either YouTube or like when I watch my rerun shows, like my comfort shows. So make sure you're taking the time for like your self-care night, I guess you can say. Like it's just like a moment where you can just like not have to worry about anything. Like I don't even go on my phone really. I just focus on the show, then I go to bed. That is that. It's raining, so it's just like the perfect night to just chill. I hope you guys enjoyed this productive day in my life. Let's see what we freaking accomplished today actually. I'm really happy I made my study days. I feel so like ready for finals and all these stuff. I planned on my study days. I went to work. I am thinking of hopefully, if the rain is not raining tomorrow, I can take pictures tomorrow, and then I think I'm also gonna take pictures maybe Thursday and Friday for sure, like over the weekend for sure. That's great. And I'll finish editing tomorrow. I'll also work on my paper more tomorrow, but I did good. My PowerPoint was the biggest thing that I got done. Like guys, I finished a whole PowerPoint presentation within like an hour because I wasn't on my phone, I was not distracted, and I got it done. Anyways, love you guys, peace out. Subscribe, like, comment, and respond to all my comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.